Okay, I was informed by my wife that some things have arrived. Oh, that's hers. Dang it. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Our first mod for the Jeep. Let's give her a little bit of some knife unboxing here. This is from Bulletproof Mounting Solutions. Heck yeah. What we got here? Ooh, tablet holder. Sticker. Ooh, tablet mount. Nice. Excellent. Excellent. All right. Sweet. Let's see what we got in here. Oh no. Oh, I don't think I can do that left-handed. I'm not quite that talented. Let's just put that aside. Let's see what we got in here. Another sticker. Mounting. Oh, sweet. Oh, look. We have a bullet. Another bullet in the other one for opening bottles. Looks like we got an install kit and some mountings hardware. All right, we got a mount. We've got the ball socket. We've got another ball socket. This is my GoPro mount. An extra little doohickey for it. What do we got here? This is the phone mount. Sweet. And then that part is the part that goes in your dash. Sweet. Let's get that baby installed. But first we need to assemble these things that we got first. Cool. Let's do it. Okay, so we got this box of screws, or this sack of screws here. I'm gonna take these. They supply this little wrench right here. These are your screws. You need to put 4 of them in each one of these ball mounts on your bracket, and then tighten them down. Okay, so here is one side installed onto the bracket. The cheap screwdriver and little wrench works sufficiently for tightening everything down. I'll go ahead and stick this other one on this side, about there. So I'll have a GoPro mount here, and I will have a phone mount here, and I can also switch this out to my tablet mount if I don't want to put a GoPro on there. All right, let's get the phone side done. Okay, step 2 is to, well, okay, we've got our bracket pre-assembled. Yeah, I've done a good job today. It's all bolted together. This is our tablet mount, this is our phone mount. So our first step is to just go ahead and pull out this little rubber thingamajigger here. There you go. Let's see if I actually put it together the right way or I did it the wrong way. I think I did it the right way. Okay, so it's gonna go in there like that. Now, the second thing you gotta do is there's 2 screws down in here. See if I can get to them. They're just Phillips head. So you're gonna take those out. Like that. This is like literally a 2-minute install. Okay, so then you just take your screws you took out and put them right back in the holes that they came out of. With the bracket has a little spot here for these to go in. Let's get those back in there if I can. Let's see how this works. Okay, that's the first one. I gotta loosen this up and adjust it out of the way a little bit. Don't scratch your screen, that'll make you upset. Ask me how I know I did it to my truck. Okay, you just take and run this screw in. Okay. Tighten them down. You don't have to be too hard because it is plastic, you don't want to break it. All right, and there you go. Here is your tablet mount for your wife to give you navigation directions. This is your phone mount, so you don't need to drive with it in your hand and stare at it and get other people in wrecks, U-tards. Oh, sorry, I mean Utahns. I almost got hit by somebody today. All right, so that's the bullet point mounting system. This is our first mod to the Jeep. What do you think, Jennifer? Look pretty good? You don't know how to speak. She's lost her speaking skills today. All right, hope you like that. We're gonna do some more mods. Right, we're gonna give a quick review on the Bullet Point Mounting Solutions phone mount that we put in the Jeep Gladiator. It's been here about a month now, and I did a quick install video that you just watched and thought I'd go over it real quick with you. Let me just turn the camera around and let you see what we got here. All right, so this is the Bullet Point Mounting Solutions mount here. It is still installed, and man, this thing works great. These holders are pretty darn strong. Okay, so this is our Bullet Point mounting system. We have had it installed for probably about a month now. I give this one an A+, this modification on the Jeep Gladiator, mainly because it's simple to install, it's very functional, and it works great. It holds the phones and the tablet really well. We've had no issues with it at all. It hasn't come loose. Everything stays tight. These mounting brackets are great. I'd say this is probably one of the best mounting systems I've had, and I've tried out quite a few different ones. So in my various vehicles, so give that one an A+. For the price you pay, about 150 bucks, you get the mounting plate down here, you get the balls that hold the arms out, you get the arms, you get the little bracket to hold your phone, you get a bracket to hold your tablet for 150 bucks. I think that's definitely well worth it. Good price. So if I had it to do over again, would I do it? Yep, definitely. Great product for the money. So hope you liked the install video and the quick review about these things. So if you do, I am not affiliated with these guys, so I definitely say if you're looking for a good mounting solution that integrates well into your dash and doesn't look clunky and dumb, that is definitely the way to go. Thanks for watching.